Hello. In order to factory reset the Avaya 1608L model, you need to press the mute button and then type craft clear and then press the pound key. So mute. And now the phone is asking, are you sure? So you can once again press the pound key or the hash key. Yes, are you sure? Yes. And it's now clearing the values. In case you can't connect to the server, press the star key while the phone is booting up and enter the password 27238 and then press the pound or the hash key. And now just go through the menu by pressing the same key and go all the way up to the end. No new values. Press the button once more. And now it's asking you to enter the command. So at this point, you can factory reset it at the same way as you would if the phone would be connected to the server. So go ahead and press the mute button and then craft clear. Clear all values. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. And we are now clearing the values. If you don't have the model 1608L, but yours may be just 1608, then the command would be the mute button and just clear without the prefix craft.